we're going to cover deep and frontal sounds. What I mean by frontal means soft. So we can refer to them as soft sounds. They're not that stressed. And deep sounds. So what sounds can you recall that are soft? And you might confuse with another one that is deep. And a. We'll keep that for here, okay? Alif and ain. But how about ta and to? Ta, see? Ta. Like ta, tilmid. And then to, tabib. Look at, I'm going to write a word with both ta and ta. And I will tell you which one is right and which one is wrong. So we've got tabib. Doctor. Tabib. Tabib. Doctor. So both are closer to doctor. Which one do you think is more right? Tabib or tabib? Tabib. So when you learn the vocab, you got to be careful with this. So this is the right one. This is the wrong one. This word does not exist. But tabib and tabib. Tabib and tabib. I'm going to write two words that start, one starts with ta, one starts with ta, but I'm going to pronounce only one, and you tell me which one I pronounced, okay? طائرة. One or two? طائرة. Do you all agree? Two or one? طائرة. Jamie? Two. Joseph? Two. Correct. Yeah, it's two. طائرة. So if I'm going to say the other one with ta, how am I going to pronounce it? Can somebody try? Perfect. Ta'ira. Doesn't sound right. Ta'ira. Airplane. Ta'ira. Okay? Let's take another one. Motor. And matar. Matar. Airport. Matar does not exist. So you got to be careful with the t and to. T and to. All right? So that's an example for t and to. Let's take another one. The and the. The and the. The. This is where you started. The. The is deeper. The is deeper. Let me give you an example. Veil. 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 Tail. An animal. Tail. The tail of an animal. Veil. Veil. Veil is not a word. Veil. Veil. Can you tell the difference? The and the. The and the. Veil and veil. Alright? Now I'm going to write two words and I'm going to pronounce only one of them and you tell me which one I pronounced. Okay? ذبابة ذبابة ذبابة. Jamie? ذبابة ذبابة. Which one? Okay, you say one. Which one do you say?
One.
One. Will you tell me which one you think it is? All right, you don't have to agree with everyone, but I just want to...
Two.
Two, okay. It is actually one. Why? Listen to two. ضبابة ضبابة. The deep sound of the makes the rest of the word deep. Okay? And the soft sound the makes the rest of the word softer, easier. Look, ذبا. Do you hear ba? How it's ذبابة. If I'm saying the, ضبابة, even the ba becomes deep. ضبابة ذبابة ذو ض ذ ض ذبابة ضبابة. Let me give you another example. I'm going to say one of them. ظلام ظلام. One or two? Two? Which one? ظلام ظلام. Which one is that? ظلام ظلام ظلام. It's two. Listen to one. ظلام. Always remember, the soft sound makes the rest of the word soft. You will learn more as you hear more words. This is just the first time you hear complete words. But it's the, ظلام, which is not a word, ظلام, and ظلام, ظلام. You have the sound the in English. So if I say this as this, that's going to sound weird, right? This is compared to this is. So the is this one. The is the second one. Soft and deep. Soft and deep. Okay? So let's take another one. Ha and ha. Ha. Ha, ha, ha. Habibi. Habibi. You see how soft, gentle I'm saying? Habibi, my dear one. Habibi. This is a ha. Habibi, 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 which is not correct. Habibi is the right one. Habibi, Habibi. Ha, ha. If you touch, it's just from this part. Ha. If you touch your chest, you can hear the like a void. Habibi. Ha, ha. Okay. There are words in English that are similar to ha. Can you recall any? Ha.
Hope.
Hope. Perfect. Hope. How. Harmony. Halloween. Ha. Imagine those words are said with ha. I'm going to say them and you tell me if they're right. Hope, Halloween, harmony. Can you tell the difference? Okay. So harmony, harmony. Which one is right? Is the H. Same goes for Arabic words. Habibi is right. Habibi is wrong. Okay? So now I'm going to write two more words and you tell me which one I'm pronouncing. هدية هدية هدية. Which one is that? Two. Do you agree? Okay. Why? Because it is deeper. هدية. This is how the first one is going to sound. هدية. It's not right. هدية. هدية. Present. هدية. A gift. هدية. Hadiya is not a word. Okay? One more example. حذاء 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 حذاء. First one, do you all agree? حذاء حذاء. Two? Okay. It is the first one. حذاء. The second one, حذاء. حذاء. It's deeper, stronger. حذاء, which is correct. Shoe, a shoe. حذاء. And حذاء is not a word right now. Okay? حذاء. 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 Okay? Want me to give you one more example? Okay. Let's do Hamza. 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 You say the first? Which one do you say? One? Perfect. Yep. It's Hamza. It's a name. Hamza. Hamza. The second one. Hamza. Which is this Hamza right here. This is a Hamza itself. Right? Hamza. Hamza. You can tell now the difference? Hamza and Hamza. Hamza and Hamza. So let me read all these words again and pay attention to how I'm pronouncing them. I'm going to go as slowly as I can. Habibi. 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 Which one is an actual word?
One right.
Yeah, Habibi. Which means my dear one. For a male, my dear one. Habibi. Second one. Hadiya. 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 Which one is right? Which one is an actual word?
One sounds right.
The second one. Hadiya, afwan. Hadiya means present, a gift. Hadiya. This was just a sound. Okay? I just make up the first so you can tell the difference. Third example. حذاء. 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 So which one is an actual word? حذاء. Shoe. A shoe. حذاء. حذاء. Hamza, 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 Hamza. Just erase it. Hamza. So Hamza is a male name, and then Hamza is this letter. It's called Hamza. Okay? So that'll be all for the similar letters for now.